each other be.
Hi guys! So many of you asked for a skincare routine, so here it is. And to be honest, my skincare routine is very simple. Luckily, I have nothing to complain about my skin, so I don't do anything special. But anyway, here is my routine. These are the following steps: cleanse, remove eye makeup, tone, serum, moisturize. First off, cleanse. I use the Estee Lauder Take It Away remover with makeup remover sponges. I add 3 dots of remover on my sponge and spread it over the other sponge. Then I gently wipe all the makeup off my face. After a couple of times, I wash my sponges and continue with cleansing my face. Then I wipe my mascara off with a little bit of bio oil. Even though bio oil is actually for scars, I use it as an eye makeup remover. It's better to avoid oil on your eyelash extensions because otherwise they will fall off. But for me, it doesn't have any effect. And for those who asked, I wear 40mm lash extensions and get them done every 4 weeks. Next on, I'm using the Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean lotion on 2 pads and gently wipe them over my face. This is one of my all-time favorites. Idealist from Estee Lauder that shrinks your pores immediately. And after about 4 weeks you will even see a high reduction of pores. I only use this nighttime because it's too oily for me to wear it on my makeup. For daytime I use the Estee Lauder Day Wear Cream for normal skin. For nighttime I use the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Cream after the Idealist. With day creams my skin tends to be oily, but this cream works perfect for me. It feels hydrated, smooth and absorbs very fast, which I find very important. The only thing I do besides my skincare routine is applying a blackhead mask and steam my face once a month. So thank you for watching. I hope I answered all your questions. Please leave a comment below because I love to get some feedback of this video. And feel free to ask for requests. So see you next time.